Okay, a great way to share student work during a Google Meet interview is to create a quick digital portfolio. Now, I've shown how to do that in a previous video using Google Slides, which is a very quick and easy way to do it. So before your meeting starts, I would recommend opening Drive in another tab, searching for your portfolios, and opening several of them in a row if you need to, so that they're ready and easily accessible. So I'll open up the Michael Walter portfolio and let it load. And maybe if I had another one, so here's my test portfolio. I'd have a couple open in a row. They're pretty easy to see who owns them. Let them fully load. And I'll go back to my meeting. And, the meeting's not happening yet, so it's no big deal. But say the meeting starts, I'm talking, and I'd like to present part of my portfolio. I can go to Present Now, pick a tab, and you can see I've got a list of tabs. Of course, I want to use the Michael Walter portfolio, and I'm going to share that. And here's the work sample. And the best way to see it if you're talking to someone is hit present. It's a little less distracting. And it should load the entire screen. And it'll probably load faster than this because I'm currently recording it, which is taking a lot out of the computer. So here's my work sample. And you can see here at the bottom, I can click on the pointer. And then without clicking, because that advances to the next slide, I can kind of gesture around to see what I need to talk about. This work sample is pretty great, although someone did a poor job of connecting the P at the top. And if I want to go to the next slide, we can talk about work sample number 2, which is pretty good. And when I'm done talking about it, I can hit stop and close the portfolio and go back to my meeting. So that's an easy way of sharing your portfolio or your students' work instead of, bringing a piece of paper up to the camera and trying to talk about it while you're talking to a parent or some family members.